blazes in fire, startling her spectators, waking tongues of ecstasy where dumbness reigned. She weans and inspires all whose hearts are open, nor can she be captured, silenced or restrained. For she is the Spirit, one with God in essence, gifted by the Saviour in eternal love. She is the key, opening the scriptures, enemy of apathy and heavenly